Hey there and welcome. I'm so glad you're here as I have a value-packed life and biz-changing message for current and aspiring holistic healers on a journey to build a successful entrepreneurial business that allows you to live your passions and purpose and brings you a great sense of fulfillment and abundance in all aspects of your life. To begin, the global coaching industry is a multi-billion-dollar industry and it's exponentially growing each year. The niches within the holistic healing, wellness, and life optimization sectors generate approximately $16 billion of the global coaching revenue as of 2023. Each year, growing numbers of people turn to coaching professionals, especially those offering virtual services, for help to resolve chronic health and/or life challenges. This is even more so the case since the COVID pandemic, and per predictions, there are no slowdowns in sight, only increases. Now is an ideal time to establish a career as an entrepreneurial online holistic healing, wellness, and life optimization coach or practitioner, or level up in an existing one. And while there are endless benefits to building a successful holistic healing entrepreneurial coaching business, the journey to do it is not an easy one. There are many hurdles, challenges, and setbacks along the path. When Sarah, my collaborating business partner who's not featured in this video, and I first embarked on this journey a decade ago, we thought it was going to be as straightforward as earning qualifications, building our website, announcing our services, posting on social media here and there, and clients would magically come our way, eager to invest in our services and ready to do the work required to become their own best self-healers. We couldn't have been more wrong. We quickly learned that we were missing many key components, personally and professionally, had many gaps in our knowledge base, and that our toolkit of strategies, both in terms of working with clients and in a business and marketing capacity to be successful, was greatly lacking, and there was much more we needed to learn and become skilled at for a truly holistic approach to successful business building. And the practitioner and coach training programs we had completed did not teach us to the level necessary, and thus a deep, ever-evolving learning journey began, where we learned what it truly takes to build a thriving coaching business. And today, I share on behalf of both of us what we believe to be the 8 secrets of holistic healer entrepreneurial business success. But before I jump into the secrets, I want to emphasize the words truly holistic, as we've learned that entrepreneurial success commands that we be in flow with our wellness, life, and our business, and that our wellness and life are the foundations of success of our business and not the other way around. This said, the 8 secrets are as follows. Secret number 1 is a mindset for healing and success. So when it comes to success at anything, having a growth and self-love mindset is upwards of 80% of the battle, or shall I say, the process. This is especially true with the entrepreneurial journey, as there's no journey that we know of that shines a light on the many layers of unresolved trauma, core emotional wounds, comfort zones, and self-sabotaging patterns that keep one stuck in ruts, as this one does. And until one changes their mindset, they'll continue to recycle thinking and patterns that don't serve them. Secret number 2 is embodiment of self-healing. To embody something means to bring it into tangible and visible form, or in more layman's terms, to walk one's talk. If one is to be dynamic and skilled at helping others become their own best badass self-healers and build a thriving coaching business doing it, one must truly embody what it means to do this. Furthermore, one's nervous system is the CEO of their business. If it's overwhelmed and dysregulated, the business will be as well. This said, as holistic healers, it's imperative for us to walk our talks, not in a perfectionist, overachieving way, but more in a way where we show up in our lives in a way that's in alignment with what we impart on our clients. And this includes letting go of perfectionism, all or nothing thinking, overfunctioning, and other health, life, and success blocking factors. Without this component, imposter syndrome quickly takes over and hijacks one's success. And as is said, our vibe truly does attract our tribe. Secret number 3 is a habit-based lifestyle for health, life, and business success. As James Clear, author of Atomic Habits, teaches, you do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. In other words, success at anything is the product of what we do or don't do repeatedly. This has been a huge eye-opening learning curve for both Sarah and I, with countless hard-won lessons. None of our previous training programs adequately prepared us with the know-how to harness the power of daily, personal, and professional habits needed to create a solid foundation for success. Secret number 4 is out-of-the-box functional health and lifestyle medicine clinical know-how. While our previous training programs prepared us well for traditional functional medicine clinical know-how, such as labs, creating supplement protocols, and making lifestyle recommendations, they didn't take us beyond this enough deep into the realms of truly holistic, client-centered, and trauma-informed ways to support whole person healing and life optimization. In other words, they didn't provide functional health and lifestyle medicine training through the lens of psycho-neuroimmunology, especially regarding the gut, brain, and nervous system, and how to tap into the power of the subconscious mind, which is the storehouse of all experiences and where the answers to what the body, mind, and spirit need the most at any given time to heal and succeed reside. This said, the Wellness Code Academy approach, which is the approach we both implement in our work with clients, combines functional health and lifestyle medicine clinical know-how with tapping into the power of the subconscious mind and quantum coaching for a truly holistic, comprehensive body, mind, spirit approach for amazing client outcomes. Secret number 5 is transformational, empowerment-based, client-centered coaching skills. One can run the best labs, create the best healing protocols, give the best recommendations, and write up the most detailed client reports and instructions in the world. But this is only a small part of great client outcomes, and sometimes not a part of it at all. Success will be limited without the skills and know-how to effectively coach clients through real-world implementation and hold therapeutic space to help them work through unresolved trauma, life challenges, resistance, self-sabotage, setbacks, and more. None of our training programs prepared us well for this component at all. And when clients come our way, it's quite evident that the training programs of the coaches and practitioners they worked with before us didn't prepare them well for it at all either. Secret number 6 is effective client management systems. I cannot stress enough the importance of having effective and replicable systems in place for the client journey, beginning with the initial discovery session or whatever you call your initial session, all the way through to the culmination of a coaching plan. In our previous training programs, the importance of having effective systems in place was mentioned, no doubt, but precisely how to do it and providing essential tools and step-by-step processes to do so was not provided. There are so many hard-won lessons in this area that we had to figure out. Secret number 7 is dynamic marketing know-how. All I can say here is that when Sarah and I first started out, as I previously mentioned at the beginning of the video, we both honestly thought that being successful would be as straightforward as earning our certificates, building a website, announcing our services, posting on social media occasionally, and clients would magically come out of the woodwork, eager and willing for our services. This could not have been further from the truth. None of our training programs prepared us adequately for what it truly takes to build a thriving coaching practice, especially holistic, trauma-informed marketing and business building, which I feel is hugely important. And while this is a huge topic and I surely can't cover it in a single video, I will tell you that 2 effective key components to marketing are one's niche and core messaging are the foundation of one's marketing. If these aren't crystal clear and effective and don't speak to one's target client in their language and on an emotional level so that it resonates deeply, no marketing efforts moving forward will be clear or effective either. And second, creating a steady flow of incoming clients requires creating effective sales funnels. A sales funnel is a way in which clients come to you and get to know, like, and trust you and be ready and willing to invest in your services. And this isn't done through social media posting alone, especially inconsistent posting that doesn't have clear and effective messaging. And lastly is secret number 8, which is business management know-how. The only thing that I'll say here is this was yet another huge blind spot for Sarah and I that we were not near adequately prepared for, and therefore faced yet another level of many hard-won lessons. Over the past decade, we have invested tons of time, energy, and finances in making countless mistakes and course correcting, watching videos, attending workshops and seminars, and private coaching to figure all this out to support our success in this industry. We've since combined our wisdom to create an incredible free masterclass called 7 Must-Have Strategies for Holistic Healer Entrepreneurial Business Success, where we offer 7 life and biz-changing strategies that span across the 8 secrets I just covered. Each of these strategies was carefully curated and handpicked to provide you with the highest level of value as possible in a short amount of time. We're confident that you'll walk away from the 90 minutes we spend together with tons of insight and practical tools that you can implement right away that will bring you some quick wins, but more importantly, help to pave the foundation for long-term wellness, life, and business success moving forward. And you'll also get 2 incredible value-packed bonuses for attending the Masterclass live. Bonus number 1 is a dynamic 3-page nervous system function self-survey to use right away with yourself or your clients. This self-survey will help to identify the dominant states of the nervous system, such as rest, digest, and social engagement, fight, flight, freeze, fawn, or shutdown, in order to help raise awareness for needed changes. And bonus 2 is a social media content strategy success cheat sheet filled with practical steps for you to take to help grow your online know, like, and trust factor and attract more of your ideal clients. You've got nothing to lose and everything to gain by enrolling in this incredible offer, marking your calendar, and showing up live. If you're on the Masterclass landing page right now listening to this video to enroll, you're just going to use one of 3 enrollment forms. And if you're on YouTube listening, you can find a link in the video information below that will take you to the landing page where the enrollment forms exist. We cannot wait to connect with you in this masterclass and share all the brilliant health, life, and biz-changing wisdom within it with you. See you soon, and in the meantime, as always, cheers to your healing, resilience, and success.